Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice door solenoid assembly in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife, a Phillips, and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice door solenoid assembly. The ice door solenoid is mounted inside the left refrigerator door in the ice and water dispenser. It opens the ice door, allowing ice cubes to be dispensed. If you are hopelessly looking into the empty glass without any ice in it, but you can hear something is turning inside the ice bucket, the ice door solenoid should be checked and replaced if needed. I'm going to pull out the tray. To remove this dispenser, we need to unclip a bunch of small plastic clips around on the perimeter. I'm going to use the putty knife. I'm going to start from the bottom, place it in, and pry it out. And move to the side here, top, and this side. We're facing a bit of a challenge here. We need to squeeze in the sides of the funnel and at the same time pull out the dispenser. I mean, very simple, right? So I'm going to turn it around, and we're going to unplug this. First, this disconnect. And then I'm going to disconnect these two plugs from the control board. Press in the locking tab and pull the plug. Same thing here on the larger one, and now we can put it away. Next, we need to take out this bracket. Two Phillips screws that are holding it should be removed. Obviously, I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. Put it down, and then we're gonna pull out the bracket. I can just hang it down here. So now I'm going to remove these two wires from the ice door solenoid. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to pry them off. Next, we need to remove three Phillips screws, one on the top and two here at the bottom. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. Remember, we have this ground wire on the right side, and now we can remove the solenoid. So we're going to open the ice door, and the plunger is going to slide down from that hook over there. This is the old ice door solenoid assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to start the installation of the new one with putting that screw on the top in halfway. So now we're going to hang the new plunger on the ice door. I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to hang it on the hook, close the door, plunger stays on. And now I'm going to tell you a little secret why I put that screw in first. As you can see, the top bracket is cut out. So we're going to slide the plunger into the solenoid, and then we're going to place this bracket under the screw. Match the bottom holes and install one screw in. Now we're going to place the ground wire on to the screw, and then we're going to install that screw. And now we're going to tighten the top one. I'm going to try if the plunger is free in the solenoid. I'm going to open and close the door. It's free. Now that the wires goes back on, it doesn't matter in which order. And the bracket goes on. But before we install the bracket, we're going to remove this funnel, because otherwise we won't be able to install back the dispenser cover. So at 1, 2, and 3 and 4 clips, I'm going to use the flathead blade screwdriver. Gonna press them out. So we're going to take it out for now, and then turn around the bracket, feed the wires in, slide the bracket, make sure that the water nozzle goes into this cutout in the frame. I'm going to push in the bracket, and then I'm going to secure it with a couple of Phillips screws here. Right now it's time to install the dispenser's front panel. We're going to start with connecting the wires. I'm going to plug in that small one. And then we are going to plug this to plug for the control board. So we're going to feed the wires into the cutout and place it on. Make sure that this tube down here should be out. So I'm going to pull it up, make sure it's hanging over here, and we can press that frame in. So the funnel is going in this way, the wall outside, the cutout inside. All these 4 tabs needs to be locked in. Now place it into the cutout, lift it up, and push it up. And now we can slide the tray back in. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.